Welcome to Wondertales. Have you ever heard of the kindness stones? Imagine a world where every stone you find on the ground holds a secret power. A power that can change not just your day, but perhaps your whole life. Today, we dive into such a tale from a quaint village, cradled between rolling hills and serene babbling brooks, where magic isn't just in fairy tales, but blooms right in the heart of a hidden garden. In this enchanted place, shimmering stones scattered amongst the vibrant flowers and lush trees carry the powerful essence of kindness. Each of these stones, caressed by the wind and embraced by the rustle of leaves, tells a tale of warmth and love. Enter Lily, a young girl whose curiosity is as vast as her heart. With her smile bright enough to clear the darkest skies, Lily made it her afternoon ritual to explore this magical garden. Her pockets were always filled with little treasures from her explorations. But one day, something extraordinary caught her eye. Nestled between two daisies, Lily found a stone that was unlike any other. It was small, smooth, and glowed with hues of pink and gold. As she picked it up, a tingling sensation danced up her fingers, and a voice soft as a whisper filled the air around her. Spread kindness wherever you go, and you will always find your way home. Looking around, Lily found no one. The voice had come from the stone itself. Holding it, she felt a surge of warmth and joy. With the stone in her pocket, Lily embarked on a new journey, not just through the garden, but out into the world. With each step, Lily spread kindness. She helped her neighbors, shared laughter with friends, and lent a hand to those in need. Her small acts of kindness sent ripples across her village, turning into waves that reached far beyond anyone's imagination. And as she continued, the garden's magic grew, filling the world with a little more love and light. Lily's adventures took her many places, but no matter how far she roamed, the kindness stone was always with her. A glowing reminder of the power of kindness and the undeniable truth that love can indeed light the way. So what does Lily's story teach us? It's simple, yet profound. A single act of kindness can spark a chain reaction of goodwill and warmth. It encourages us to be mindful of the impact our actions have on others and to always choose kindness. Whether it's a smile, a helping hand, or a kind word, these are the stones we can cast into the pond of life, creating ripples that extend far beyond our reach. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the magical garden of kindness. Remember, the power to brighten someone's day rests in your hands, much like it did in Lily's. Spread kindness and watch the world glow a little brighter. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to enjoy the Wonder Tales. Like this video and subscribe our channel to explore the wonderlands and tales.